Nalabas ako kanina. Nasaan ba sila? Kasi... Mami. Sabihan na ko Jay. Nahihiya nga ako eh. Lagi ako nahihiya. Hindi ko
Princess, ano ba niluto ni Kuya Jay? Nahiya si Kat-Kat. Lakad na, nasabi ko na.
Hindi. Ako Wait lang.
You'll go home and wash your shirt. When you're waiting, Santa will fall down from the chimney because it's Christmas soon. You'll think he's dirty and go wash his shirt too. When the yellow shirt and his red shirt mix, it will become orange. When you wear the orange shirt and go out, it will think you are blue. You shouldn't wear yellow shirts when you go out.
Wait lang. Sorry. My please me boy bina rinig ko sa iyo. Rinig. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Shelly. So fancy. This is my
Kiss ko kayo. Dito na tayo.
smallest. How many houses do you have? Come in. Okay. Wow.
Young man, may I offer you some royalty?
Who are you? He's Mr. Valles, my butler.
At your service, young man.
Butler.
Pato.
Yes, a butler. He will give you anything you want. Anything?
Yes, anything, young man.
Can I have a rabbit chicken?
Rubber chicken.
Wow, so fast.
Enjoy your rubber chicken, young man.
Can I have a laptop?
Oh my
Yay!
As you requested, young man.
Bye-bye, guys.